Hello Aries, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's there on your side, Aries. Okay, so we have the Four of Swords on your side. Let's see what's there on your person's side. Let's see what's there on your person's side, Aries. The card doesn't want to come out for your person. What's it? Let's see what's your person's side, Aries. Message for the persons of Aries. The Aries is dealing with. Okay, so we have, anyway, it took a little while, but then we have a beautiful card, that is the Ace of Pentacles on your person's side, the most likely outcome in this situation. Okay, we have the Page of Wands. Okay, so Aries, you are dealing with some sort of healing. Maybe you had a past, maybe there was a situation in your life which required you, which has taken a toll on you in some way, or it requires some sort of healing or some sort of surrender to the divine, surrender to the time. Okay, let it be. Things will work out with time. It can be that. It can be the internal healing process, but you are taking some time, giving some rest to yourself, and just surrendering and just focusing on yourself in the way that it is giving you some sort of healing also, and some sort of rest and time also to actually deal with the situation you have dealt with or you are dealing with. Okay, and here on your person's side we have the Ace of Pentacles, so definitely something new seems to be stable and very promising, and the most likely outcome is the Page of Wands. So it is a new beginning. Definitely it can be a small step forward, but yes, definitely it is a new beginning in a new direction. So let's see, why is this Four of Swords here for Aries? Why is this Four of Swords here for Aries? Okay, so for the Four of Swords we have the Moon. Okay, we have the Moon, the Nine of Cups, the Page of Wands, the Three of Cups. Let's have one more, the Seven of Cups. Okay, and the Four of Pentacles. Okay, so let's see, why is this I want to take one more, so that is Eight of Cups. Okay, was this Ace of Pentacles here for the person side for Aries? What's behind the scenes for this Ace of Pentacles? Please clarify this Ace of Pentacles for Aries. So for the Ace of Pentacles we have the Page of Pentacles, the Five of Wands, the Six of Swords, the Knight of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles, the Three of Pentacles, and the Two of Wands. And the Ten of Swords. Okay, let's see what's there for this Page of Wands then. Why is this most likely outcome as Page of Wands? So the Page of Wands, we have the Queen of Cups, the Queen of Wands, and the World. That's beautiful. The Five of Pentacles, the King of Wands, the Knight of Cups. Let's have one more. The Hangman. Okay. Seven of Pentacles. Okay. So what I feel, Aries, here is that you are giving this situation some time and healing yourself also, and giving time to the situation, as I said, because maybe the things are not very clear to you. You really don't know which direction to take, which path to follow. There is a lot of uncertainty in the situation, and the wise thing which you are doing is you are giving it time, because though you are uncertain in this situation, you really don't have any clarity. Whatever the situation is, you find this situation as your wish fulfillment. You see it as your wish fulfillment. You see it as a source of your happiness, but still you are not very clear in this situation. There is a lot of uncertainty there. And what I feel is this uncertainty seems to be because you really are not able to figure out where you stand in this relationship. Since it is a relationship reading, I'll be focusing mainly on that. So what I feel here is that you feel that your source of happiness is out of your reach, or is going out of your reach, and you are losing it, your grip on it, because, and you really don't know what is the reason, to be exact, what is happening, what is going on. You really don't know. You're not able to figure out the reason though, but yes, you are still feeling that you are losing the grip on whatever was your source of wish fulfillment. And the reason what you feel is, or even if you don't know it is, what it seems to be here is, with the Three of Cups and the Seven of Cups, that there is some sort of indecision which is going on over here. Maybe the other person has many options. Maybe this person is juggling. Maybe this person is not committing to you because of the fact that they are being indecisive for any reason, or maybe they are actually having many options. Can be any of it. But with the Three of Cups, and we have many threes over there also, so what I feel is it can be a love triangle. Because of this, you or the other person, I think it's you, who is holding back now. You are deciding to hold back because you really don't know where you stand in this relationship, and you feel things are not as they used to be perhaps. And you've started holding back, rather I should say, Aries, you have even started walking away from this situation, or at least that is what you think you should do, or you are planning to do. Okay. And it is because of this fact that you really don't know, you don't have the clarity of the situation, you don't have the clarity where you stand in this relationship, so you are just giving it the time, and you are just thinking of the ways and means as to what should I do. uh, should I still stay there, or should I move out of this relationship? So this Seven of Confusions can talk about your own confusion also. It can be your own confusion, because you are trying to decide, what should I do? Should I stay in, or should I walk out? And thing is that you deep within, your intuition says that you are holding back and you should walk away. Maybe you even starting doing that energetically. But with the Three of Cups, you do feel as if you are being juggled. At some point in time, you feel that you are being juggled. There is something else or somebody else in their life. That is what you feel. Okay. And here on your person's side, we have the Ace of Pentacles. So the Ace of Pentacles is a brand new beginning. It's a beautiful new beginning. For that, we have the Page of Pentacles, the Five of Wands, the Six of Swords, the Knight of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, Two of Wands, and the Two of Swords. So what I feel here is that though it started in a small way, it was a new beginning, yes, but then it started in a small and a steady manner. It was not a huge running into each other, but yes, it started as a small step towards each other. But then there has something which has happened, which is a source of conflict. I don't know what was the fight about, what was this argument about, but yes, something has happened in this relationship which has caused some sort of argument. And because of that, the Six of Swords being there, somebody is starting to move away from this situation. So there has been some argument, some conflict, or the confusion, because there is confusion this side, there is confusion this side. So maybe this confusion is the cause of this argument. some conflict is there, because of which this person is choosing to walk away with the Six of Swords. Here you are also walking away, this person is also walking away, at least energetically your people are doing that. And then we have the Knight of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, the Two of Wands, and the Ten of Swords. So what I feel here is that with the Knight of Pentacles, somehow, what I feel here is you want to, you are working on yourself, definitely. You're working on yourself, you're holding back. With the Knight of Pentacles here, this person, whosoever this person is, it may be you or the other person, you decide to walk away. That's what I'm getting. You decide to walk away and you want to offer this stable commitment or this Ace of Pentacles to someone else, perhaps. Okay, it may be you, it may be them, I don't know. But yes, somebody here chooses to walk away and they want to offer this pentacle of theirs, this stability to the other person, because this, whosoever this person is, the commitment they give is really stable. This person is stable. Okay. And with the Queen of Pentacles being there, Three of Pentacles, Two of Wands, and the Ten of Swords. What I feel here is there is a lot of waiting. This person has been waiting and waiting and waiting. Perhaps they wanted this person to give a commitment, which didn't happen. Somebody here is indecisive in this situation, whosoever it is, and somebody is just waiting for them. They're tired waiting for them all the time. And with the Three of Pentacles being here, again, it can be a love triangle, definitely, because of which the other person is always on the waiting side. And with the Ten of Swords, they really don't want to deal with it. With the Six of Swords being here, somebody is choosing to walk away from this situation, from this relationship, because of whatever conflict is going on. And with the Ten of Swords, they are done with the waiting, they are done with the arguments, they are done with the discussions and the conflicts and trying to convince the other person for how the relationship should be. But perhaps things don't seem to work out, and that is why they choose to walk away. And they are totally done with whatever is happening in this relationship. But the most likely outcome is the Page of Wands. So it is a small step forward. Let's see what is it all about. We have the Queen of Cups, the Queen of Wands, and the World. The Five of Pentacles, the King of Wands, the Knight of Cups, the Hangman, and the Seven of Pentacles. So what I feel here is with the Queen of Cups and the Queen of Wands, either both of you or at least one of you really has a lot of feelings, a lot of passion, or maybe both of you have a lot of feelings and a lot of passion towards each other. Okay, that is for sure. And with the World card, perhaps since it is a new beginning, maybe since there is a lot of love and a lot of passion, perhaps you people want to work it out and end this cycle and begin something new. It can be that also, because with the Five of Pentacles, King of Wands, the Knight of Cups, the Hangman, and the Seven of Pentacles. What I feel here is that with the Five of Pentacles, both of you seem to be very upset in this situation. Both of you are not really happy that things are not working out the way you wished they would or you wanted they would, and this is happening since a long time. Okay, so you are trying to discuss or contemplate because you know that you've been in relation for some time and you really want to work things out perhaps, and both of you are feeling upset. Okay, and this is a situation which is causing, this is causing stagnation in this situation. Okay, but because with the Knight of Wands and the King of Wands, what I feel is, Knight of Cups and the King of Wands, what I feel is, since there is a lot of passion and emotion in this relationship and both of you are really not happy the way things are shaping up, and this is happening since a long time, which is making this relationship stuck. So perhaps with the Knight of Pentacles, you just decide to talk about it perhaps, or just reviewing and contemplating that, okay, can we work this out? And what I feel is with the World card, you are with the Knight of Cups and the Knight of Wands, King of Wands, I think emotions are being expressed. Somebody is ready to open up now or offer their commitment or offer their love to the other person. And with the Page of Wands and the World, what I feel is maybe both of you decide to give it a second chance or take a small step forward once again in this relationship. Let's see what is the message from the universe. Have faith. Number 12 may be of some significance for you. Have faith. Trust your faith in this situation. So whatever is happening, just have faith and just go with the flow and just follow your intuition. So Aries, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.